Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you the CapCut coloring tutorial for the cool color tones. So first get your clips ready, and then after that set the color adjustment by going to adjust, and then set the saturations into -50 and also the temp. Okay, set it into -50, and then go to hue and also set it into -50, and then after that add some vignette effects to around 20. Okay, and click on the check icon and then find filters, go to filters and find the B&W filters, and then select the black forest filter and set it to around 30. Okay, like this, and then click on the check icon and then go to the effect, video effects, and then find basic, and then here add the edge glow effect, this one, and set it to around 10. Okay, go back, and here is the final result for the cool color tones. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.